Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your smart thermostat to use geofencing in Ecobee. Full guide step. To begin, ensure your Ecobee thermostat is installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Ecobee app on your smartphone. Log in to your Ecobee account if prompted. On the app's home screen, find and select your thermostat. Tap on the menu icon located in the bottom right corner. From the menu options, choose Settings. Scroll down and select Location. Now, toggle the geofencing option to enable it. Next, you will be prompted to specify your home location. You can either enter your address manually or use the map feature for better accuracy. Once your home location is set, confirm it by tapping Save. Next, you need to add the devices you want to use for geofencing. Go back to the menu and select HomeKit and Alexa or Smart Home depending on your preference. Follow the prompts to link your smartphone or other devices to your Ecobee account. After your devices are linked, return to the menu and navigate back to Settings. Select Geofencing again to adjust the radius for the geofence. You will typically see options like small, medium, or large. Choose the option that best fits your needs for activating the thermostat settings. Once you've set your desired radius, tap Save again. You can now customize your thermostat settings for when you're home and away. To do this, go back to the main menu and select Comfort Settings. Here, you can define the temperature for home and away modes. Make your adjustments according to your preferences. After adjustments, make sure to select Save to confirm the changes. You're all set. Your Ecobee is now configured to use geofencing effectively. Monitor your thermostat from the app, and enjoy the convenience of automatic temperature control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.